Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this simplified login page with this background, beautiful background. Then we'll be making this full page. This video will be in the two parts. In the first part we will be making the HTML page, that is the structure of the page we will be making with the help of this heading. Then first one is this container, then this heading, two input boxes, remember me and forget password, then login buttons, and these things. What is the functionality of this page? After that we will be just putting and adding on some CSS to beautify it, and then it will be complete. So what the functions will be there, like remember me will be having a checkbox. We can take it and untake it. We can put email address, and if we just put an invalid email address, so it will say please include an @ in the email address. Such type of message should come. Okay, so without saying much, let's get started with the code. So let's go to the VS Code now. Okay, now we have come to our VS Code. I have made a folder enhanced login form here. I am just creating a new file, index.html. Here we are going to start writing our code. This is the boiler code. This is the title of the page. What is the title of the page? This enhanced login form. This is the title of the page. So let's put it enhanced login page. Okay, so this is the first thing that we have done. Now as I have already told you, we are going to style it too. So I'm just making a new file here with the name style.css, and I am just including this link here. As I have already told you, the link for the style sheet will be before the end of the head element. So here we are putting a link to the relation, and the type is style sheet, and the link for this is style.css. Okay. And we will just close it. It is a self-closing tag. Okay, this is all for it. Now we are starting with the body. What all things will be in the body? Like first will be a section here, and in the we are just putting it a name background here. Then inside this we will be having a div with a class name. We are putting it a class name of form container here. Inside this we will be having another div with a class, you can say form box. Okay, inside this we will be having a heading, but we will be saying it login. Okay, login or login page, you can put anything here. After that we have to put a form, and if you want to define the actions also, we can define it. However, right now I am putting it blank. Inside this we will be having a div with class name. I'm just putting it input box. Then there will be the input fields for inputting this email address and this password. Okay, so I'm just putting input. The type is, right now we can put anything, text, email, anything, but we are just using email, so that it will be taking it as you were saying. Because of this it is coming, and what you want to show in the text box, we want to show email, and if you want it a required field, can, whenever you are making it, you can see preview from here how our page is looking like. So right now this is a login attach come input. This has not taken. What is the issue? Let's see. Input type is email, placeholder is email, and it's required. Okay, why it's not coming? Okay, it should come. Okay, here we had just did a mistake here. Here it was not completed. Okay, so now it has come. Again, input box will be here, and the second input box is the for the password. So its type is also password. Okay, password. In the placeholder we will be writing password. You can see how it's coming, like now in here it has password has come. Okay, so this we have done. Okay, so after that what we need a button also. Okay, because both the things are done, so now we are putting it a button. What else we need it? We need remember me and forget password also, so we are just making it now also. So this div is completed, and before the form ends we are just putting it remember me. It is remember me and forget password. Okay, so let's put it. So again I am just putting it inside a div class, and I am just naming it forget. Okay, there is a label in the output, so label you can say for it is remember. Okay, and inside that now there is a input field. Now the type is checkbox. Okay, because we want to put a checkbox here, and I'll just give its ID to be remember, and just closing it. Input checkbox has come. Now we want to have a label also here, which will be saying remember me. So I'm just writing remember me, mb remember me. Okay, so it has come. Okay, remember me, and after that we will be having, after the label is completed, then anchor tag will be here, so it will be saying forget password. You can put a link here, however right now I am putting a dummy just hashtag here, and it will say forget password. Okay, so this is a link, you can see, you can click it. Okay, so this link, however this link will be going nowhere as of now. However you can reroute this thing later on. So the forget password is done, and the div is completed here, and after that we need a button. Okay, so this is the final button we are just making, and the button is log. Okay, the login button has been made, and that's all for this. Not much. Okay, forget password is done, and login is done. Okay, one more thing we can make, we can say one more div we can make for register. So I'm naming it register. So it will say don't have an account, then we will say again there is a dummy link I'm just putting here. It will say register. and after that anchor tag will be closed, paragraph will be closed, then div is closed, form is closed, and all the ifs are closed. Okay, so this is all our everything is done. You can save this file. Okay, so this is the first part of making of this login form. Okay, so this is the first part. Right now this is being shown in this way. In the next part we are going to use the CSS to beautify it. Okay, and we will be making it like this. So let's go for the next part.